College application DIY do-it-yourself. Applying to college made easy. Don't mess up your firms. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a big question that all students must face. And that is how to apply to college without getting too stressed out. Don't worry, we'll make this process simple and fun. 1. Choosing a school. Don't stress yourself. First of all, don't stress yourself out. Choosing a college is like picking a pizza. What flavor do you want? Where do you want to have it? Can your wallet handle it? Hey, isn't this easier than deciding what's for lunch? 2. Tests are just tests. Life matters more. Entrance exams are important, but don't freak out too much. Test scores aren't everything in life. If you don't do so well, keep moving forward. It's like when McDonald's runs out of ice cream. Life still has other tasty things waiting for you. 3. Personal statements. Keep it light. Don't make your personal statement too serious. You're not writing a thesis. You're sharing your story. So, talk about some fun stuff, like how you got inspiration from a pizza box. 4. Recommendation letters. Gives help when getting teachers or mentors to write recommendation letters. It's like giving them a gift. Provide them with enough information to write a shining letter. And don't forget to thank them. Maybe a box of cookies will help inspire them even more. 5. Form filling. Don't get too creative. Lastly, when filling out application forms, please don't get too creative. Don't write pizza lover under the gender section. It won't help you. Fill it out honestly. Stay true to yourself, and see if there's a special needs section. Maybe you're a unique individual who needs a special field. Applying to college doesn't have to be overly serious. It's a part of life's adventure, so embrace it, enjoy it, and don't forget to doodle some fun patterns on those forms. If you have any questions or need more advice, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.